natin kung maganda. Okay. Alright. So, wow. Almost. Wow. Nice. Perfect. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Wow. Lenovo. Yes. Ayan siya. Okay. Then, let's see ito siya. Yes. Alright. Oh, wow. Oh, liit lang siya. Ayan. Liit lang. Panalo. Ganda. Tapos, ito yung kanyang wire for charging. And then, let's see. Oh, wow. Guys, wow. Nice. Pwede na siya. Uy. Wow, nice. So, guys, ayan. Hanggang sa muli. Thank you very much. Meron na naman tayong bagong earbud. Ito yung station niya. Charging station. Ito yung earbud. So, thank you very much, guys. So, that's all for today. Tignan natin kung yung kanyang okay. Connect natin siya. Connect ko siya.